Good morning, everyone.
Here we are at the park.
We are going to go in the park today, me and MaeDay. We are at a park and we're just going to walk and show you all different kinds of nature things. I'm going to be in squirrels and I'm going to be your nature guide. We just have to wait for our parent to come. She's right over there. It's our grandma. So we're just gonna wait here. And I'm gonna find squirrels. So we got a bunch of trees. We got a lake over here. Lake over there. Yeah, it's a pretty cool lake. It's very shiny. It is 50 degrees. Maybe I think it's 61 degrees. I'm not even cold. As a matter of fact, I'm warm. This is my life. What is that? Yeah. See what we got over here. Also, don't forget to and grass. We're just seeing everything. Okay, don't forget to check out my new channel, Nervily Shorts. We just made
It's incredible.
it is great. It's incredible.
Check it out. It's awesome.
I already have 10 shorts filmed today that I'll put it on, and by the time I put all those on, I'll have 13 shorts. So you gotta check it out. It's in the description below. Hey, just got a walking stick. Oh, do we go down there?
Yeah.
Go see the lake? All right, we're gonna go down and see the lake. Not too close though, we don't wanna fall in. There's also a swing. Oh, check out my new shoes.
Yeah.
You see it? Yeah, those are my new shoes. Got them from Walmart. I like my Space Jam characters. Ooh, purple flowers. Oh, I just ate ice cream. That's probably not a good idea to run. Whoa, look, there's a cool little path. Look. Oh, dude, this is so cool. Careful. Okay, there we go. Whoa, check it out.
Nice view.
Yeah. It's awesome, pretty cool.
Please check out Squidward Nerdy Games.
Yeah, Squiddy Board Early Games. Got my t-shirts.
Nerdy Studios.
And yeah, Nerdly Studios,
MaeDay.
Nerdly Shorts, MaeDay, Super Fun Kids. Those 5 channels if you want to. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool channel, pretty cool content. Yeah, oh my gosh, look. Oh, that's a stick. It's not a tadpole. Look at that. I'm really hoping I'll drop my phone, but look how sparkly it is. So nice. All right, back up. This is gonna be a continue on nature hike. I'm not stopping the video. This is all just gonna be one fit. Whoa, before rocks, careful. Okay, yeah, so you can just really go through and look at nature stuff. I had a live stream yesterday on Nerdly Studios and Nerdly.
That was incredible.
It was incredible live stream. I had one on Nerdly Studios and one on Squiddy Board Early Games. Pretty fun. Yeah, that would be so cool. MaeDay joined in.
I like to do a goodbye.
Yeah. Well, you got to be there for like 10 minutes. It was pretty fun.
Espresso Patronum.
Yeah, she told that joke in the live chat. It was really great. She liked my shades. Okay, we're just gonna walk around here for a little bit. There's a road, so we gotta be careful. Gotta look both ways. Look. Okay. Hey, go. Run. Whoa, I'm a beast. Oh, and over here we have a rundown miniature golf. I used to come over here for family reunions all the time. We would go miniature golfing. It's kind of sad. That's my childhood right there, and it's kind of run down, but that's okay. I just figured out and remembered how much I hate running. That's why I'm not on track.
But these shoes.
Or in any sport.
These shoes are nice.
My shoes don't get money that much. It's pretty cool. Except for my Vans. They get money a lot. Trash. Yeah, help the community. Save those dolphins.
Yep.
And penguins. Whatever's going out of danger. Turtles. Oh, that's sad.
Yeah.
Purple flowers.
Very pretty.
We're just like true vloggers right now.
Oh, yeah.
Already 5 minutes in, we've done like a whole nature tour.
Have you seen the beginning of the video, please?
Oh yeah.
He's hilarious.
Yeah, he has really fun.
But his
Really fun
nature hike,
videos.
like different people on the nature
Oh
hike,
yeah. I should make one of
the
those.
nerd. Have you seen that one?
When he's doing his map and he's like,
And there's also another one. When he's like, he has
that
something with him.
is a pine tree.
Yes, pine tree with flowers.
They have pines on them. That's what a pine tree is. Over here, we have a flower tree with white petals. It's for spring, blooms in the springtime. We have dandelions, which is technically classified as a weed. Here is the hiking trail. See, you have the hiking trail. Whoa, someone stepped on a stick. Anyway, so we'll probably, oh my gosh, we'll probably take maybe the F to the D to the E,
Yeah.
then around again.
And we're at C.
Where are we? See, oh yeah, your location. We are at C. Let's head towards that way, towards the bathrooms. Yay! Oh, okay, good. We don't need to go towards the bathrooms. We're heading that way? That way. All right. You're right, you're running. I don't like running. It's so sunny today. I got my sunglasses on. It's actually really nice. Okay. It's actually a really nice day. It's only windy. All right. So where are we going? Just headed towards this walking trail. This might be like 30 minutes long. I don't know, maybe 20. I'll probably stop it at 20. So I don't want to go too long, but I think it's also fun just go on and on.
This whole video of mine is probably going to be at least 40 minutes.
Oh yeah, she made a whole video today on the shopping and stuff. I've just been making shorts and unboxing video, and now this one. I'm gonna make a nature hike. Also, right now I'm gonna be working more on early studios and early shorts because we are right now in the middle of taping a new Squiddy Boy and Early Games 100th video.
Ooh,
So
nice.
yeah. So that will come out soon. We just need to tape it, so we have to look for that in a little bit. So we'll be uploading for a while, unless it's a live stream like I did last night. Oh, okay. So we'll stand right here. We have to wait by the bathroom.
Really nice out here.
It is really nice back here. There's a nice barn.
Mm-hmm.
All right, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna point out our favorites. Let's just do a Q&A session. Ready? What is your favorite forest animal? Where are you at? Deer? I like squirrels. Sorry, squirrels. I also spent today looking at Snchapp photos, and I bought a Stranger Things.
Holland.
Yeah. And I bought a Stranger Things poster with his face on it. It's really cool. Very happy, satisfied with my purchase. I can never talk. Let's see. What is your favorite tree?
Probably a pine tree. Or no,
Pine tree.
willow.
Ooh, a willow. Life is like a willow when it will bend by your will, something like that.
How about,
Taylor Swift song.
I know. How about, what is your favorite rainforest animal?
Rainforest animal. Probably a monkey. What's yours?
Mine is a sloth, obviously.
Oh my gosh, I totally forgot. I'm so sorry, sloths. You're my favorite animal. How could I never?
Sloths are amazing.
They're found in the rainforest. How could I even do that? See, more trash. More trash. But someone went to McDonald's. Da 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 da. I'm loving it. Oh my gosh.
Wow.
There's a bike.
People.
I love this field. Look at this clear field. I think that's a baseball field.
Yes. We're going really far. You can turn around.
Yeah, we're just walking around. Good job. You've pointed out a tree.
Good job.
I mean, so did
you
I.
point out flowers.
Flowers. So negative, meanest. You could play like basketball here and just shoot some hoops.
Yeah, maybe we can go run around the grass.
Yeah, roll down the grass.
Walk around the grass.
Yeah, we're gonna go continue on. My shoes are murdery.
We can go this way again.
This way.
This way.
I already got my shoes muddy, but that's okay. I'll wipe them off with wipe tonight.
I almost quit. Broken.
Alright, let's continue. Over here's a blimp. Over there through the trees. I'll show you when we get a little bit closer. I had this brownie, Oreo, and cookie ice cream. It was so good. I mean, I'm like really stuffed. It's really bad. It's probably like really bad for you, but that's okay. I'm still living. I'm only 14.
I'm only 13.
Oh, I feel like I'm gonna die first between me and MaeDay. It's all be true. Oh, look, see, there's the blimp. I think it's landing. Let's go, let's go. Look, the blimp's landing. Yeah, let's go, let's go. We're running now, running again. Let's watch the blimp. Okay, the blimp's landing. This is something, a rare event happening. We're gonna go check it out. Let's go see. Let's go see. All right, there we go. Oh, look at that. Yeah, there you go. The blimp is landing. Did you know they used to have a Zeppelin, which was like 10 times bigger than a blimp, but then it crashed? My thigh is thumping. That's how hard I traveled. So good. Probably should head back up there. But there you go. You got to see, oh, hair in my mouth. You got to see this really cool blimp. That went off. Pretty cool. We should probably go check up with our grandma because we ran like really far ahead. That's okay. Look, an acorn. Pretty cool. All right, look at those blooming leaves. That's how you know winter's finally over. I mean, recently it snowed again. I know.
That was horrible.
But it finally stopped snowing and now it's just springtime finally. Hair in my face.
I had a selfie stick in my bag.
You had a selfie stick in your bag?
Yeah, I should have used it.
You came prepared. All right.
Where to next? We're just going around there to the bridge?
Yeah, there's a bridge. Really cool bridge. Grandma, we're gonna continue forward. We're gonna continue.
Yeah, go ahead.
All right, let's go. All right, let's walk. Enjoy nature. I know, it's like, still it's like only 61. I had a coat on earlier when it was 50s. Oh, my shoes are untied. Do you mind holding my phone real quick? I have to hold my pants.
Hi, everybody. What's up? My huge lion mane is all over the place.
You control my channel now. You can be the new host.
Oh, yeah.
Bye. I'll catch up later. So I was wiping off the dirt off my shoe.
No problem.
All right, we're going to a bridge. Yeah, so if you're watching this, cool. You get to see some exclusive.
You get to see a bridge.
Yeah, you guys to see a blimp landing. You guys get to learn stuff from me. I'm actually
That's about nature.
I'm a very good teacher. I think I've been told that. I don't think so. But yeah.
You're a very good teacher.
Thank you. See, now I just got told that. You know.
Here for you.
Thank you. Yeah. Woo, best buddies. Anyways, so one day my goal is that people will be so excited to see me that they would look up pictures of me on the internet because I'm just so cool. That kind of sounds like stalking, but you know, it's really cool. And I'll be like guy's celebrity crush, like Noah's mine.
Holland's mine.
Hey, write in the comments below, Tom Holland or Noah Snchapp. Write that down in the comments below. Which one you're a team of. Yeah, let's wait over here. Here we see more pine trees. It's already gone 14 minutes and 37 seconds.
Yeah. Mine's 13 minutes and 45 seconds.
Oh, you started mine you started yours like 2 seconds ahead of mine.
Yeah.
Whew. I really have to go to the bathroom now. To be fairness, I did just drink a whole thing of Dr. Pepper. My sunglasses are really reflective. Good to see those trees. Hey! Portal! Portals. If you could live in any time period, what would you live in?
Honestly, probably around maybe the 1800s.
I would live in the 1980s. That would be mine. It's when my favorite TV shows and movies take place, like It and It. Definitely It with the clown Pennywise, and Stranger Things happens there. I mean, just like, yeah. And basically,
That's my favorite part.
what?
Dresses from the 1800s.
Dresses from the 1800s. That's awesome. I don't know what the blimp's doing. Still hasn't really sat down yet. I don't know if it's like taking off now. Well, you got to see a blimp, whether it was taking off
that
or
was cool.
not.
You were like there when it landed.
Yeah.
You weren't fast enough. I just see it move.
Yeah, we had to run. Sorry, my grandma's terrible. Make a wish, viewers.
Yes, I did it.
Make a wish. I'm gonna make a wish, but I'm not telling you. What?
No singing out
Yeah, I know.
loud.
I won't say it out loud. I won't tell you what I'm wishing for, but even though you probably might know what it is.
Same for me.
Great. That was fun. Look at those lily pads.
Wow, that's a bunch.
I know. It's a lot. So I hope you enjoy this nature hike. Look, a robin.
Nice.
You probably can't see it, but it's a type of bird. Not Robin the superhero. I mean, I wish.
I wish.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, hi! Like,
Let's go see it. Let's go stalk the bird. Hey, careful, careful. Oh, and it ran away. Sad. Hey, and if you kids are watching, you can at least learn some stuff from us. You learned about pine trees. You learned about blimps. Very inspirational. What?
blimps are fun. I've actually been
Blimps
in
are
one
fun.
once.
You've been in a blimp?
Yeah.
That's cool.
I was
When?
like 5, maybe.
Oh, that's awesome.
I
Did you get to
don't
go
know.
up? Did you get to go up or just in it?
I think I just got to go in it. I really don't remember. I just.
That's still really cool
my
though.
friend told me about it. Oh, too about a basketball.
Do you have a basketball?
No. Well, I do.
What?
At home. I
Oh,
do at home. Not now.
we went to Five Below. We could have got one there.
Yeah.
Now I'm really hot now.
Yeah, me too.
I mean, I'm hot always, but
But you know who's hotter?
no Snchapp.
Come on.
Hey, hey. Nah, write down in the comments below. Which one's better, Noah Snchapp or Tom Holland? We need to settle this debate. Then I'll make a video on it proving who's better.
Wow. You know, it's just opinions.
I know, it is an opinion. But I'm gonna make it a fact. We're going this way now. Ah!
It's over a stick.
Oh my gosh, look at this stick. It looks like a cane. I'm walking with it. Probably gonna get a splinter.
It's very small.
My stick, it's better than bacon. I'm like Yoda now. Very wise and old. Don't comment on how old I am. Hit my mouth. Woo! What time is it? 3:40.
I'm gonna do some this way too. Facing this way. Cause like.
I'm still walking with my stick. Can you see it? My stick. Ow, my stick. That's pretty cool doing it this way. It's like, hey, my stick. I know I'm hilarious. I'm the best. What are you doing? I know you did it. You didn't hear that. I'll poke you with my stick. Oh. Hey, don't grab my stick. Hey, watch it. Look, I found a stick.
I don't think it's tall enough. You need a little bit taller.
No, I see it fits me. I'm like Tiny Tim.
Looks like Tiny Tim. This is a real one. I worked hard for this.
Did you make it?
No, I worked at the parks gave it to us.
Oh, the parks gave it to you.
At the park plant.
Well, I found mine, specially made. It's crafted from the woodlands.
Metro Mark.
Metro Park.
Yeah.
Yeah, Metro Mark. I like your shirt.
Thank you.
Bring it. That was Snap. You hear nothing. You know that? Ooh, yeah, today's been pretty fun. We went to Wendy's, Books a Million. Oh, I already said Wendy's. Walmart. Five Below.
Vixen and Cookie chewed on.
My dog chewed on that.
Vixen. When we had Vixen
Ah,
the Tennessee.
my bad. I remember Tennessee. I like Tennessee. The mountains are cool. My bad. Anyway, so after Five Below, we went to Target and then we went to GameStop. Get really cool stuff. Found a stick. Probably not gonna keep it though. Should I keep it? I think I should keep it. Yeah, woo! Hair is in my face. Glad I got these sunglasses though. I got these at Five Below. These pretty cool sticks. Ready? I'm gonna say goodbye to my stick. Bye, stick.
So sad.
Yeah, I'm sorry. See it? Hold. Can you hold? Can you show me throwing it? You see it? You ready?
So sad.
It's gone forever now. I'm so sorry. So sorry, stick. I'll miss you. Oh, look, another stick. That one's actually probably taller. Here are my glasses, too. Hair everywhere. I need a haircut. I'm not getting one till I start next year at school. What are your thoughts and opinions on burritos?
I've actually never tried one.
I've never tried a burrito either. I don't like, oh, cute dog. I don't really like tacos or Mexican food. I'm sorry. You're probably gonna account me on this, but I don't really like Mexican food. To me, it's gross.
Yeah, me neither.
Yeah.
Well, I guess I do like tacos sometimes.
I mean, I like nachos and cheese with meat. What are we doing?
I'll walk on back to the car. Wait 8 minutes, you're gone.
Yeah.
You could walk in there if you wanted to.
We can walk in there?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll show you guys more. Oh, we've done 20 minutes? That's cool. Yeah, we've done 20 minutes. Oh yeah, it shows me right here. Yeah, true. We did faster. Let's go check it out. We showed you a little bit of the abandoned. No, I heard that.
I did. Here, anything I didn't say anything.
No, Snap's better. I was gonna tell that now. Hey, what are you doing? Are you gonna flick me?
No.
I'm watching out for her. What? Anyway, so we showed you a little bit of the abandoned miniature golfing, but we'll show you more of that. Oh, also, I'm going to Cedar Point over the summer, so I might take some clips of me going on rides. Probably not roller coasters, it's gonna be pretty hard. But yeah, it should be fun. I'm also doing summer gym and go swimming and stuff. Should be pretty cool. All right, let's go inside the miniature golf and show you a little bit. Yeah, this has been 24 minutes. I haven't even took out anything. I haven't touched the button, I paused it. And that way it also saves me for editing and all I have to do is put it in my intro. Yeah, it's a win-win. But I also need to free up some space on my computer. It's getting filled up. It's really sad. I also look for my video on Nerdly Studios at the end of May, because today is officially May. Look for my video at the end of May for what I'm going to do this summer and summer challenges. It's gonna be pretty fun. I still need your weather report video.
Yes, I will do that.
Sweet.
As soon as possible.
Great. Yes, that's right. You get to see your favorite people in my video, such as me. No, it's not. Okay. Here we go. Here is number one. We've got this spinny thing. I remember doing this at like family reunions. You sit there and you're just like, woo!
Yeah, I remember doing this as well.
Yeah. Here is this side. Then we just walk around here. I'm gonna go this way. I think, yeah, this is two. Just gonna cut through. See this little castle? Yeah, here's hole 2. How should we skip through this? Here's a broken down castle. Let's go skip through down some. Probably show you all 18, because that might get boring.
Yeah.
I mean, you might have already quit through this video by now, but I hope you saw the whole thing. It's really cool. I'm also really awesome. I'm also very cocky. Here's a little divot where the water would be. Well, they wouldn't put water in this one, but used in real golfing, they have that. Ooh, look, a Jeep. Has that always been there?
No.
Little mini tyke Jeep.
I don't know.
Let's see. This is hole 4. We skip down to that. Here is the mini tyke, bike tyke, little tyke Jeep thing. Pretty cool.
Yep.
Oh, I stepped on something. Look, a sweat bee. Let's walk between that because I don't want to get stung. One time I got stung on my foot when I was barefoot. It hurt a lot. Here's a little scarecrow with a tongue. You just put it in there.
To tell Holland?
No, you better put a picture. I'm gonna crop that out and put Noah Snap on that. Hi, let's go this side. What? Looks like a heart. Oh, wait. It's not a heart. It's a 3-leaf clover.
Cool.
I think you saw that. I have to go to the bathroom so bad. Let's continue forward. Yeah. Next, we head to the Iron Gates. This is hole 6. There we go. I have to go to the bathroom. Too bad I'm not doing that. Not squeezing through. I wonder when this closed down. Or why. Here's hole 7. It just bumps.
Okay, I think we can all agree that Snchapp is probably one of the best actors.
Oh, that's so nice. I think Tom Holland's a really great actor too.
Oh, thanks.
You're welcome. See, when you work together, you can learn to be nice to each other and agree on things. That is what
We won't agree on everything, but
yeah, we won't agree on everything because no, Schnapp's better. But here we learned that when we work together, we can agree on more things and be happy. And that's the lesson I want you to take from this. That you don't have to be on the same thing as long as you're happy. Here's a barn. Looks like the barn from Beetlejuice with a crash. I'm a big 80s kid, even though I didn't grow up in the 80s. Woo! Alright, let's see. Oh, Ghostbusters, Batman. Love it. Here you go. Clouds. Some nice clouds. What do we got over here?
11?
Hole 11. Yeah, this was a hard one. Parkour. Parkour. Michael Scott. The Office is my favorite show. More bees. Morbius. Let's see. Let's go up here. Hole 12. I'm just gonna keep walking. See what a great director I am? Such a great director. Ah, hole 13.
We should make a video that you're the director, I'm the actress.
Yes, we should do that. Yeah, and it'd be like me, keep telling her she's doing it wrong, just do it over again. This is possibly the hardest one, because depending on how you swing, it would Hole 14. It would be hard to meet it. Yeah. My shoes. Pretty cool. Pretty good for Walmart shoes. Very comfy. Yeah. We both got shoes.
Yeah, got new shoes.
Yeah, check it. I picked those out for her. See how much good. And she picked these out for me too. We picked out each other's shoes. That's what best friends do.
I think mine are great.
Yeah. We pick out each other's shoes. Ah, lines.
Very hard.
Oh yeah, you just saw me win that. I should be on America's Got Talent.
Yes, you should.
I know I should. I got talent for a lot of things.
I think I would be on. Why would you be there? You know what? Like,
Oh.
what would you do?
My natural talent is being amazing. What would you be there?
Singing.
Singing, ooh. Maybe I'll be on there for jokes.
Yeah.
I'm instantly funny.
You could be best on that.
Yeah. Maybe I'll get the golden buzzer. And I will
No, it's like
be amazing. Oh, here is the classic windmill that you see in every show that has golf in it, or any park. Whoa, was that a spider? Oh shoot. Sometimes I won't even go on the trampoline if I see a spider, because spiders really scare me. Here's hole 18.
Why would you want to if there's a spider by the door?
Yeah. Here is hole 18. Simple, just right here. And that's it. And there's a little glimpse of the abandoned
Exit.
miniature golf. Here's exit. All right, guys, we're gonna head back to the car. And that's the end of this nature hike. I hope you laughed. I hope you laughed. I hope you cried. I hope you enjoyed every single second of it. We're gonna go back.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Woohoo!
Yeah.
Thanks
Thanks, guys, so much for watching today. This video, my unboxing video, and the nature hike video, and all my shorts. Check out Nerdly Shorts within the description below. Also, write in the comments Snchapp versus Tom Holland. I mean, I like Tom Holland. I do. He's an amazing Spider-Man. He is also very cute. But Noah just has this like tan to him. This glow, this warmth. His hair is just amazing. He's 16, and that's close to my age. We can make it work. The long distance might be trouble, but I would make it work. You know, if I ever get famous, that's the person I want to meet. And Tom, I would meet Tom Holland.
He's short and he looks good. He doesn't look like he's 27.
He is 23.
Exactly, he doesn't look like it though. He looks younger.
See, I want a real man. Yeah. Alright, thank you so much for watching today's video. Like and subscribe. That would be amazing. That would be such a great gift. We have so much fun making these videos. I had a great day today. I might make a couple more shorts today. I don't know. It's 3:54. So probably have to go home soon. But yeah, so I'll see you guys later. Bye. Bye.